Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to use your LinkedIn invitations for a business page effectively. So you can see it here. So every month we used to get 250 credits for our LinkedIn page. So I am going to tell you what is the right way to use these 250 credits effectively so that you can gain good number of followers as well as engagement. So all you will be having is your organic audience instead of here just doing like that ad campaign and getting followers inorganically. So if you are doing it organically, so you can easily gain followers that are good and they will be engaging on your post if your post content is valuable, or if you are going to meet your followers expectation, what they are expecting from your side, if they are following your page. So it's like if I am following any marketing page, so I will be looking forward to gain some marketing insights, some knowledge out of that page. So you should always deliver relevant like content to your audience. So here you can see what I'm going to do. Just click here in invite connections, and then either you can search people location wise or maybe current company. I won't suggest you to go for company thing, and for any other option you can just avoid maybe industry. If I talk about marketing, so marketing I can write, and I won't write marketing service as I am running a digital marketing agency. So obviously I won't be it's not good for me if I am sending request for to other marketing agencies to follow my page. So obviously I will be looking for businesses who are looking for marketing agencies, who want social media marketing, who want LinkedIn profile building. They can be college students, like if they are looking for resume building thing, if they are looking for LinkedIn profile like building, and things like this. And I can also send requests to various industries, say professional services, IT services, then technology information, and software development, and everything. I can look for these kind of people so that I can engage with like various set of audience where I can put or where I can pitch about my marketing agency. So I'm going to click here, show results. Now you can see, now I am not sending. Firstly I will look for CEOs, founders, and recruitment team, people who are at higher positions. So sending requests to software engineer and these people, it won't be relevant for me. If I want to attract a relevant audience, what I can do is, in order to attract audience to engage in my post, I can also look for people who are in marketing field, because if I will share relevant content that are related to their field, so they will like my content. So this is the way where people, or say audience who are in marketing field, they can engage with my content, but they won't buy my product, they won't buy my services, because they are also in the same field. So for that matter, what I need to do, I need to look for various other industries too, right? So that if somebody says somebody is in IT industry and that person is looking for marketing agency so that they can promote their product, so that person will be relevant to me. Okay, so I am going to click here. Now I am going to send request to people, like you can see co-founder, and then so it's not like you have got 250 corrections. So it's not good if we are we are say consuming all 250 invitations randomly, or we are sending invitations to random people. We need to put some small amount of time to think of what kind of audience you are looking for. Are you just consuming, are you just like trying to use all your 250 connection, or are you here to utilize your 250 connection effectively in the best possible manner? So what I do is, I just always look to use or say utilize my 250 connections in the best possible manner. So I look for people who can engage in my content as well as who can buy my product or the services. So yeah, you can see, like, you can search for various people, and then I am clicking here also writer technical, because I am also, like, we are online marketing services, so we used to work on marketing, digital marketing, that will cover everything like paid advertisement, SEO, SEM, SM, social media marketing, everything. When it comes to digital marketing, so we are covering everything. Then graphic designing, to make template, to do everything, like sort of thing, brand book, making brand book, or like preparing some company's business presentation, we are covering everything. And other than this, we are also doing writing work, that is blogging, book writing, journal writing, research paper writing, resume writing, various kind of writings we are covering. So that's why the Shilpa is so much relevant for us, right? Now you can see. So you can also think of relevant people who are important, or say who can add value to your business, right? And then you can send the invitation to that person. B2B sales, so that's good for me. Okay, so this is one way to gain followers on LinkedIn. So here I would also tell you other thing, and I would like to do the same. So let's go to job at first. So one way is to use your 250 connections on a monthly basis effectively, right? And the other way is go to job section, and if you have any vacancy, like we are looking for somebody who can make videos, good videos, and moreover we are looking for interns, not for specialists, not for experts, because we don't have that budget at that moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for manage job post, because we have already posted it previously. So I will be copying job description from there. Just, there is some internet connection. So okay, so I will be copying some like job description from there, and then I will be using it here too. Okay, let's do one thing, let's not go to this thing. Okay, so okay, I'm just clicking here. You can see this here, video intern, so I can click here, I can copy this description, right? But let's do one thing. I'm going here, and then I'm going to post a free job. LinkedIn will help me to write it, LinkedIn AI will help me to write it. So I'm clicking here. Okay, everything is fine, it's not full time, it's part time. Okay, then I'm doing write with AI. Okay, so here you can see this. So we need to cut these two part. Okay, done, save. And we can also add two questions. One will be hybrid work, and second will be urgent need. Done. Okay, now it's done. I will be continuing it, and then I will be, then I can post it. So here you can see we can have 4 free posts, well, 18 promoted posts. But I think I have already used these 4 free post credit, that's why it's not showing like continue for free. So it's, if it is continue to check out here, so that means I have already like say consumed all my 4 monthly applicants option to post job for free. So yeah, if you have not done it, so you can use it, like there would be one option, continue for free, you can click there, you can continue it, you can post the job. And this will help you in doing two things. First is you will be gaining followers for your page, second is you will be getting relevant applicants to your vacancy or to your job role that you are looking for. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So yeah, stay tuned, take care, bye bye.